Contraband detector PM2030 is a handheld non-destructive inspection device intended to indicate hidden items within diverse closed cavities. PM2030 operation is based on registering the radiation scattered by a scanned item. It detects the object sealed to a depth of up to 150 mm and allows identifying the type of object material and building the libraries of scanned items. The instrument is provided with the radionuclide gamma radiation source, housed inside a safe tungsten-lead container collimator that fully protects a user from gamma emission. The contraband detector is widely applied in customs and border control, police and security services. It's a perfect solution for hazmat operations in the field, when a fixed detection equipment cannot be used. For example, when inspecting freight containers, fuel tanks, wheels, and inner cavities of vehicles and passenger rail cars. The detector can be used in different environmental conditions. The device and necessary accessories come in a secure transportation case. What we see inside: the device, belts for convenient carrying, batteries, calibration stand, cables to connect the device units, USB LEMO cable, USB stick with software, additional accessories, an extension pole, special holster to be fixed to a waist belt. The device casting is made of shockproof plastic and consists of two units. The first one is a display and control unit that provides an LCD screen and 4-button keyboard. This unit allows making necessary device settings, displays digital information while in the operation modes, and provides visual, audible, and vibration alarms when hidden items are detected. The second unit is a scan unit with a radiation source housed inside. Due to a modular system, 3 options of the device unit's connection are available. A standard usage form is a monoblock. The control unit is fixed to the scan unit using special fixing buttons. The second option will be useful when inspecting hard-to-reach places. In this case, the units are connected with a special cable. To inspect large objects, the connection with the extension pole is used. The scan unit is fixed to a special holder in the upper part, while the display unit is fixed to a special platform and connected to the pole with a cable. PM2030 operates in 2 basic modes. A survey mode, designed to detect the items hidden behind partitions and inside closed cavities. Detecting mode, designed to detect and localize radioactive materials. Let's see how it works. To turn the device on, press and hold the Select button until the name of the device appears on the screen. The PM2030 automatically enters the testing mode, and the visual alarm and collimator indicators are activated. If the handle vibrates, the survey mode is switched on. Put the instrument to the inspected object. Now we can calibrate the instrument on the surface. For this purpose, we press and fix the lever with a pin to open the collimator. After the calibration is fulfilled in 20 to 25 seconds, we can proceed to the inspection. While inspecting, the device should be slowly moved along the examined object's surface. The scan unit has a special replacement fluoroplastic base that additionally protects the device from damage. Now we monitor the changing count rate indicated on the display. If the change is small, there are no hidden objects. A significant increase in the count rate with the audible alarm and hand vibration activated confirms the presence of inserts behind the examined object's surface. At the same time, the frequency of repeated signals can help to identify the size and density of the hidden objects. The material of the insert can also be defined. Select the display form of material indication and wait several seconds. To complete the operation, close the collimator by pressing and releasing the lever. To return to the main menu, press the Return button. Switch to the search mode by pressing the Select button. Now, direct the scan unit base to the examined object and move the detector along it. The closer the instrument to the object is, the higher the efficiency of radioactive materials detection will be. Again, watch the count rate readings. If the rate stays in the same range, everything's clear. The increase of sound signals confirms the presence of radiation material. The more frequent the signals are, the closer the source is. When reached the limit frequency of sound signals, it's time to calibrate the device by the background and continue the localization of the radiation material. Switch to the main menu by pressing the return button. To maintain correct operation of the device, it's necessary to carry out the auto-calibration at least once a month. Put the device on the calibration stand, turn the detector on, and choose the required mode in the menu. Press and fix the lever with a fixing pin to open the collimator. Then, monitor the auto-calibration status on the display. When operation is completed, it's required to close the collimator. If everything's done correctly, the sign of the radiation danger disappears on the display, and the collimator status indicator is deactivated. A fixing belt with a special aluminium insert prevents the lever from being pressed occasionally. PM2030 is convenient and easy to operate. You can also use a Bluetooth headset to monitor the sound frequency rate in the surroundings with excessive noise level. The device features a long lifetime. Mean time between failures is at least 20,000 hours, and average service life without changing the radiation source is at least 10 years. The operating time for 2 batteries are of 50 hours, and the measurement data are saved in the device memory and can be used to build the library of the scanned items. To transfer the necessary data to your PC, use USB connection. PM2030 is an accurate and efficient contraband detector that complies with all the necessary standards. No prohibited items will pass unnoticed. Polimaster, innovating radiation detection technologies since 1992.